Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. In the last video, we talked about editing, and now we're going to be talking about sort of a counterpart to editing, which is revisions. Let's say somebody makes a bold change to some content and you want to go back to a previous revision. So let's get started on that right now. So now let's talk about revisioning posts. Let's say you have a couple of workers and different people are working on the About Us page. And somebody comes in and they decide that this blog post or this About page, maybe this whole first paragraph doesn't need to be here. So they click Create a New Revision and say Removes First Paragraph. Now from here, they come in and let's actually remove the first paragraph. So they've deleted the first paragraph and saved and published. So now we have an About Us page that's missing the first paragraph. Somebody then sees the site and says, oh no, we need that first paragraph. That was actually a mistake to remove it. Well, luckily, because they checked that Make Revision box, you now have this Revisions tab right here. And anyone can come in and say Revisions, and you can see the different revisions. So the current version removes the first paragraph. However, the previous version is here with the revert button. We can also delete that older revision if it's now out of date and we're never ever going to go back to it. Let's go ahead and select revert, and it gives you a confirmation. Now upon reverting, we now have a new revision being logged. It actually logs this as going back to that previous revision. Now this is really cool. When we click view on the page, our first paragraph is back. And if we see revisions, we can see exactly that the admin originally made the post, then the admin removed the first paragraph, and then the admin reverted back. Now, if you had multiple users working on this site, you would see their different usernames, and you would be able to keep track of who did what. That way, in case that person needs extra training, you could go and talk to them, or maybe you just wanted to see who in fact made that edit. Perfect. So we now have a nice revisioning system, and by Drupal, it's out of the box. We didn't have to turn on any extensions to get revisioning to work, and this is a great improvement to Drupal overall. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the video or hit me up at Twitter or Facebook. If you want to purchase these videos ahead of time, you can come to store.leveluptutorials.com and purchase this entire series before it's available on YouTube. Or you can sign up to be a Level Up Pro and get instant access to streaming these videos. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.